Immobiliser fit. It's a brand new 24 plate Range Rover Sport, protected with a Halo Plus immobiliser. So the way it works, thief gets this key and goes to steal the vehicle. When they put it in gear, the vehicle cuts out, but your phone's also going to ring you. So on the first attempt, you're not going to wake up your neighbours if you forget one day to put your code in, as you see, but the phone's going to ring if a thief attacks the vehicle. So you're going to know straight away. Obviously, if it's not you, someone's in your car. If they're silly enough to try for a second time on this vehicle, pop it into gear, horn goes mad, the vehicle's immobilised, and also the phone rings again. So you're going to know if they're outside the house, they're really trying to get your vehicle. You're going to hear it, your neighbours are going to hear it. If it's parked down the road, you're going to get the phone call and your vehicle's going to be immobilised. Obviously, if it's you and you want to drive it, you can choose from either a Bluetooth tag, a push sequence using the factory buttons, or just simply pair your phone up, have it in your pocket. Now with the battery in the tag, we'll just start the vehicle. We get that double bleep instantly and we can drive off. Doesn't call us, doesn't stall out, we can move the vehicle. If you don't have the tag, we'll turn the Bluetooth on this phone. With the tag now out of range, disconnected, we can just use the phone to start the vehicle. We get a double bleep and we can drive off. If you don't have either of these, you don't have a tag, your phone's gone flat, you can use a push sequence. We start the car, we don't get the bleep, so we know if we put this vehicle in gear, it's going to cut out and it's going to ring us and the horn's going to go mad. So before we do that, we'll pop the code in. For now, we just have 1, 2, 3, but we'll change. We hear that double bleep, now we can drive off. Customer can obviously choose their own code. It doesn't have to be just a simple 3 presses, that's purely for the video. And also has a service mode, so when you take it back to Range Rover, it just becomes a normal vehicle, no calls, no stalling, no horn firing. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is the Halo Plus immobiliser on a brand new 2024 Range Rover Sport 24 plate. As you see, it's only got 29 miles on. Brand new, and the customer's just picked it up. Once again, our number's 0208 212 7393, and this system is the Halo Plus immobiliser. Thanks for watching.